Hey scent besties, we're going to go through everything that I used in my home in the last 2 weeks. Let's get right to it. Got through 2 pods. These are our scented beads that go into our solo air diffusers, air purifiers, coconut blossoms, which is the featured fragrance of the month. And then I got through lemon verbena. I use these in my car in the Sensei Air Go. I just love fragrance anywhere. Went through 1 By the Sea car bar. I wish we still had these car bars. Also, they had them in this special flash sale that's going on right now, so I grabbed a lot of them. Discontinued product, but I think they're the best as far as scent performance for your car. I got through 1 washer whiff in clothesline. I love this. It's a very strong one, and it lasts on your clothes for days and your towels especially. This is our version of a scent booster. I got through 1 liquid of Sensei Clean and 1 washer whiff in Sensei Clean. This is my ultimate favorite fragrance. However, it's discontinued. So if you are a Sensei Club member, you can get exclusive products from time to time, and this is how I got my hands on these. So hopefully this fragrance will come back one day. I got through 1 bottle of dish soap. This is Mediterranean Spa. This is an exclusive offer right now. The dish soap is sold out, but I believe we still have the Counter Clean and the Scentsy Fresh in this fragrance. If you look under collections, and you'll see Mediterranean Spa. All right, now to the wax bars. I cannot believe I went through 15 bars in 2 weeks. Let's go. I got Mad for Melon, Daydream Oasis, Sadness, which I really loved from the Inside Out collection, Autumn Road Trip. It was a very chilly day, so hey, I grabbed for something kind of fallish. Wicked. I love Wicked. This one is locked up in my club forever. I love it, love it. Blooming Marvelous, another one locked up in my club. Oh, so pretty. Pineapple Rose. This one actually, I believe, is in a bundle right now in the sale that is going on. Make sure you check out my website. It's up to 70% off up until this Tuesday. Ruby Nectarine. This is a fan favorite. Love it. Another club bar that I went through is Black Tie Affair. I love this one. I love a masculine fragrance. Oh, I did this in the bedroom. It's got like hints of tobacco, vanilla. The vanilla is not overpowering. I really, really love it. Went through 1 bar of Disgust from the Inside Out collection. And this reminds me of Chase Rainbow's Green, and so that's why I am warming my last bar of that. Smells so good. Our featured fragrance of the month is Coconut Blossoms. This is 10% off till the end of the month. Very nice. I absolutely recommend this. Get this in all the things. Such a great performer. All right, we have a collection right now called Puddles and Petals. It's a 4-piece collection. I personally only like one of them, which is the Cigarro Desert Rain. These 3 other bars that I did in the collection, I did it in my bedroom, and I absolutely did not smell any of them. But I went through Quaint Country Rain, Rugged Mountain Rain, Coastal Rain Cove. I will tell you, though, I do have one of these in a fragrance flower in my bathroom, and that is performing really well. So with that collection, you could add the individual bars to your Scentsy Club, which is an auto shipment. Always get my bar. If you want more information about Scentsy Club, just say Scentsy Club, and I'll give you some information. But for me, that collection was not a good one. All right, Lily of the Valley, which is also locked up in my club. So good. So that's what I went through the past 2 weeks. I'm looking forward to seeing what you've been using and warming. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also comment what your favorite all-time Scentsy bar wax bar is.